Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, when you're in a call, then I recommend you guys first checking these side buttons. It's a thing that we forget about and we realize that later. So first, check it out and make sure that your volume is turned up. You can only do that in the call because let me show you. Here we will have all of these sliders and none of them is for call. This might look like a call, but it's just a ringtone. So now after that, what you guys can do is go over to settings and now go over to Bluetooth. So go over to connections. Here we will need to go over to the Bluetooth and we need to make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled. So whenever it's enabled, just like now, then I recommend you guys disabling it. Basically, any connected device might reroute the audio. So for example, when you have your headphones connected, you don't even know about it, then basically the audio might be rerouted to the headphones instead of the earpiece or the speaker, and that's why you might not have the volume during a call. So after that, what you guys can do is here we will have the earpiece, and what we can do is we can easily clean it and then check if the sound is there by using either another call. So for example, you just call somebody from the original app or you call somebody on, let's say, WhatsApp. Now after that, if there are still some issues, then we're gonna restart our phone to refresh the entire system. So let's hold the power button. Now let's click restart and tap it again to restart our phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. Now after the phone restart, what you guys want to do is, as a last resort, reset the network settings. So I'll show you how to easily do that. So first we need to go over to the settings, and now in those settings we can either go to the general management, so it's right here, or also here in the general management, I forgot to say that, here we have the reset, but you guys can also find it by going to about phone, and here after a scroll we will have looking for something else, and here we will have the reset option. So it's all the same, there's just many different ways to do that. So now let's scroll down and here let's click reset network settings, so basically the mobile network settings. Let's click on it and click reset settings. Now click on reset. And as you guys can see, now those settings are reset. Now you guys can try if there's sound in your calls. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.